This is Sanshakti Shatkar, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Bidar. Today I am going to discuss with you activity-based costing. Let us discuss the origin of the activity-based costing. During 1980, the limitations of subscription costing system were felt with severity. Companies are looking for a system that could reflect the true product cost in order to fight the competition. The absorption costing is having a lot of limitations in that olden days. In the year 1990 and 1992, David Cooper and Robert Culpen wrote an article on the idea of the ABC system, and now all the companies are using the ABC system. Next, the traditional costing system. So the traditional costing system is having the lot of limitations regarding the allocation of overhead. The ABC is not a new concept of costing; it is an old concept only. Here, what is the difference between traditional costing and ABC costing system is, in a traditional costing system, the allocation of overhead is only difference. Otherwise, the basic things are remain same. In a traditional costing, we will do like this: from ledger account to the production and service department, from service department to production department, following reapportionment of method of allocation. Finally, allocation of indirect cost to the production department to the product. We will do the first. We will do the primary distribution summary. We will allocate all the expenses, classifying the department into the service department, production department. Then we will do the service cost to the production department. Finally we will do the allocation of overhead. Then comparison of ABC and traditional costing. In ABC, cost poles in a traditional one or limited number. Cost poles, there is only one overhead rate. It may be direct labor overhead rate or machine hour rate. Today we have machine intensive industry. There we are using machine hour rate in traditional costing. Otherwise, if it is a labor intensive unit, then it will use the direct labor hour rate. In ABC, there are many cost poles reflect the different activity. Applied rate. The applied rate in traditional costing, we will use the volume based or financial, but in ABC we will activity based and non-financial, suited for labor intensive low overhead companies. The traditional traditional costing of allocation of overhead is suitable for where the low overhead rate is there and labor intensive organization, that is more suitable. But ABC is suitable for capital intensive and product diverse high overhead companies, where the overheads are very heavy in the nature and the company is having capital intensive and high overhead rate. Then we will go for ABC. Benefit: simple and inexpensive. Traditional costing is in a simple as well as inexpensive, but ABC, it is an accurate product costing, possibly elimination of non-value added. Here we will classify the activity into the value added activity and non-value added activity. We will ultimately eliminate the non-value added activity. Activity cost poles and activity cost drive. Purchasing department, we will use the number of purchase orders. Receiving department, number of purchase orders. Material handling department, number of material requisition. Setup, number of machine setup required. Inspection, number of inspections. Engineering department, number of engineering changes order. Personal processing, number of employees hired or laid off. Supervisor, number of direct labor hours. Example of ABC. Say, let us we will discuss about the examples of ABC, how it is different from the traditional costing. There are a bank A, B, C, D. There are 4 banks. In that we will discuss about the allocation of ATM expenditure. Say, number of visit to ATM. Say A visited 2 times, B visited 20 times, C visited 200 times, D visited 500 times. The total bank ATM maintenance charge is 4 lakh per annum. The traditional costing system, what we will do? We will do total expenditure divided by number of customers, means number of ATM users. We are assuming here 4 customers are only in that different banks, single bank and 4 customers. So here the bank is incurring 4 lakh rupees as a ATM maintenance charges. Then what it will do in a traditional costing system, total expenditure, that is 4 lakh divided by 4 customer, means the each customer need to pay 1 lakh rupees per annum to pay maintenance charges. But with respect to the ABC, it is totally different. We are taking activity is the base, means how many time A is visited the ATM, how many time B is visited the ATM, how many time C is visited the ATM, and how many time D is visited the ATM. We will take count of this, means total activities. Total activity here is number of visit to the ATM. In that case we have 722 activities, means 722 times A, B, C, D are visited the ATM. There is a practical, we will think about the practicality of this. When the A is only visited 2 times in a year, why should he has to pay 1 lakh rupees? How many times we will count per visit cost. Total 4 customers are there in a bank, they have visited in a year 722 times. In that A visited only 2 times, B visited 20 times, C visited 200 times, and D visited 500 times. We will calculate the each activity cost, that is 4 lakh divided by 722, means per visit cost. We will calculate the per visit cost of a ATM. Per visit cost comes to the, that is 554 rupees, 0.01 rupees. So in case of A need to pay 2 visit, he visited 2 times, then 554 into 2, then 1108 rupees A need to pay. In case of B, he visited 20 times to the ATMs, then he has to pay 11,080 rupees. Then C visited 200 times, then he has to pay 1 lakh 10,802 rupees. D visited 500 times, then he has to pay 2 lakh 77,500 rupees. Means the person who is not more visiting ATMs, more cost. Not visiting ATM, then no need to pay ATM maintenance charge. The person who is using more, he has to pay more. The person who is not using more, he has to pay based on the activity, based on the visit. We will take the visit into the consideration. In traditional costing system, no visit, only we are using blanket overhead, number of customers divided by ATM maintenance charge. In this case, we have 4 lakh rupees, only 4 customers, each customer need to pay 1 lakh rupees. In case of A, he has only visited 2 times, he has to pay 1 lakh rupees. In case of a D, he has visited 500 times in a year, he has to pay 1 lakh rupees. There is an injustice, the injustice in allocation of overhead, so that ABC is superior than traditional costing. One more example we will take into consideration for the better understanding of the ABC. Say there are 4 friends, A, B, C, D. They have completed a degree, BCom degree they have completed. Then they have to planning for dinner, night dinner, and the concept of night dinner is military system, is total expenditure on dinner that can be divided by number of participants. In this case, the only 4 members, they are planning for eating in a hotel dinner. Then they went to one restaurant. The agreement is that total expenditure divided by number of participant. In this case, they have taken dinner 200 200 200 each. Soup, A 180, A has taken soup, B not taken soup, C also taken 180 180, D also taken soup. Gobi snacks, A is not taken, B taken 130, C 130, D 130. Ice cream is taken by A 135, B 150, C is not taken ice cream, D, that is 160 rupees. Total 2175. As per the traditional costing allocation of overhead, we are thinking about traditional costing allocation of overhead. 2175 divided by 4, that comes to the 543.75 each one has to pay. Means A, B, C, D has to pay 543.775 rupees. Here the question is that when A is not taking gobi, why should he has to pay the gobi cost? Then in case of B, B is not drinking soup, why should he has to pay the soup cost? Then C is not eating ice cream, then why should he has to pay the ice cream cost. In a traditional costing system, whether you are incurring that expenditure, your department is incurring that expenditure or not, irrespective of that, total overhead of the company, factory overhead divided by, there is one base, direct labor overhead rate or machine overhead. Here also in this front case, when you are going together to eat dinner, there is no question whether you are eating ice cream, whether you are eating soup, whether you are having dinner, nothing. Total expenditure in a dinner divided by number of participants. In this case, there are 4 members, then they has to pay 543.75 each. This is olden concept, but the superior thing is that as per the ABC, if dinner is shared by all the 4 members, then that should be collected from the 4 members. So in case of soup is only consumed by the A, C and the D, then you have to collect the only soup cost from these 3 people, not from the B. In case of gobi is not taken by A, then why should you have to collect the gobi cost from the A? Say as per the ABC system, the person who is enjoying, who is bearing expenditure, his cost for the bearing the expenditure, he has to pay that expenditure only. In case of A need to pay what he is incurring, what he are consuming. In this case, he has to pay 515 rupees, but in case of B, he has to pay 480 rupees. In case of C, 510 rupees. In case of D, 670 rupees. This is as per ABC. Based on activity, we have to allocate the expenditure. Activity is the base for allocation of a overhead. There are so many departments in a company. The research cost is incurred in a research department, but in another department is their personal department. We have not made any activity which is related to the research. Then why should we have to collect that research cost from the personal department? Means we have to first, in ABC, we have to classify the activity into the value added activity and non value added activity. Ultimate aim of the ABC is correct, appropriate, scientific allocation of a overhead to the product to find out to fix the scientific selling price. Then benefit of ABC, focus on attention on activity. We will focus on a activity. We will do whether the activity is a value added activity or non value added activity. We will eliminate the non value added activity to try our level best to reduce the cost. Then most accurate product and service cost, to find out the most and scientific product cost, we have to follow the ABC. This is not possible in a traditional costing because there is a blanket overhead rate they are using for allocation of overhead that will lead to the under absorption of overhead or over absorption of a overhead. Manager manage activity and not product. Manager has to manage the activity because activities are causing the product cost. When we are controlling the activity, indirectly the product cost will decrease. ABC focus on causes and effect relation. What is causing for a particular activity? We will discuss about cause and effect relation in detail. What made company to do in a particular activity? What is the cause? We will find out the root cause for a particular activity. The activity leads to the cost. Then when we are finding out the root cause for facing an activity, we will reduce the non-value added activity to enhance the product cost. ABC highlights problems area easily. We will find out the easily problems. What made our particular product into the particular price. We have the detailed allocation of a overhead. We have the detailed classification of a overhead allocation. In that we came to know that where we are incurring more cost. So that here it will highlight the problem area very easily. Then thank you one and all.